Today, I want to say something very shortly that Facebook administration is a fucking asshole. Facebook administration is a motherfucker. Rascals, bloody cunts, fools, stupid, and goons working in Facebook administration. They don't have any sense. They are really bullshit administration. So, for me, Facebook administration is a zero catastrophe. No sense, they don't have any sense. They don't read who is the best, who is not the best. This domain is the fucking asshole domain, and the administration of Facebook is a motherfucker assholes administration. This is what I think about fucking asshole motherfucker Facebook. That is my message for the administration of the Facebook and the boss of the administration. Fuck you all.